Unleash your inner grip. Why hand health matters. We hit the gym for toned legs, sculpted arms, and rock-hard abs. But what about our hands? They're our constant companions, tirelessly typing, texting, lifting, and holding. Yet we often neglect their health until a problem arises. Don't wait for pain or stiffness to set in. Prioritize hand exercises. Strong, flexible hands are crucial for everyday tasks and overall well-being. From buttoning your shirt to crushing your next workout, hand strength is non-negotiable. Flexibility ensures a wider range of motion, preventing injuries and improving dexterity. Think about musicians, athletes, artists. They rely heavily on hand strength and flexibility. But even if you're not a concert pianist, these exercises offer incredible benefits. Improved grip strength, enhanced fine motor skills, and reduced risk of conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome. It's a win-win. So are you ready to unlock your hand's full potential? Let's dive into some simple yet powerful exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. Warm-up wonders. Prepping your hands for action. Before diving into any exercise routine, it's crucial to warm up your muscles. The same goes for your hands. Warming up increases blood flow, prepares your tendons and ligaments, and reduces the risk of injury. Start by making a loose fist. Hold for a few seconds, then extend your fingers wide. Repeat this 10-15 times. Next, try some wrist circles. Rotate your wrists clockwise and counterclockwise, 10 repetitions each way. Feeling the warmth? Good. Now let's move on to some finger-specific exercises. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these warm-ups before each hand exercise session for optimal results. Finger Fitness Fiesta. Simple exercises for everyone. Let's kick things off with some beginner-friendly exercises that are perfect for everyone. These movements improve finger strength and flexibility, making everyday tasks a breeze. Finger extensions. Extend your fingers straight out as if you're signaling someone to stop. Then gently bend each fingertip one by one towards your palm. Hold each bend for a couple of seconds and feel the stretch. Repeat 10-15 times. Thumb touches. This one's fun. Touch your thumb to the tip of each finger on the same hand, forming an O shape. Hold each touch for a moment and repeat 10-15 times on each hand. This exercise is fantastic for improving dexterity and coordination. Wrist stretches. Extend one arm forward, palm facing up. Gently bend your wrist, pointing your fingers towards the floor. With your other hand, gently increase the stretch by pulling your fingers towards you. Hold for 15-30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these simple exercises into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they make. Grip it real good. Exercises for hand strength. A firm handshake, a powerful grip. These are signs of strength and confidence. But more importantly, a strong grip makes everyday activities easier and safer. Ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's get to work. Squeeze and release. Grab a stress ball or a rolled up sock. Squeeze it as hard as you can, hold for 5 seconds, and then slowly release. Repeat 10-15 times. This simple exercise works wonders for your grip strength. Plate pinch. Grab 2 weight plates or heavy books with your fingertips, one in each hand. Make sure the smooth sides of the plates are facing outwards. Pinch and hold for as long as you can. Rest and repeat 3-4 times. Fingertip push-ups. Ready for a challenge? Get into a push-up position, but instead of placing your palms flat on the floor, support your weight on your fingertips. Lower your body down slowly, keeping your core engaged, and push back up. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase as you get stronger. Remember, start slow and gradually increase the intensity. Don't hesitate to modify the exercises if needed. Listen to your body and enjoy the process. Flexibility fanatics. Boost your range of motion. Flexibility is just as important as strength when it comes to hand health. A wider range of motion in your hands and fingers can improve dexterity, prevent injuries, and even make playing musical instruments easier. First up, the prayer stretch. Bring your palms together in front of your chest, fingers pointing upwards. Slowly lower your hands towards your lap, keeping your palms together. Stop when you feel a stretch in your wrists and forearms. Hold for 15-30 seconds and repeat 3-4 times. Next, the finger spreads. Extend your fingers straight out. Then, spread them as wide apart as possible, like a starfish. Hold for a few seconds and then relax. Repeat this spreading and relaxing motion 10-15 times. Lastly, the thumb stretches. Extend your thumb outwards. Gently pull it back towards your wrist using your other hand. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. This stretch targets your thumb's range of motion and can be particularly helpful for those who use their thumbs extensively, like texters and gamers. Remember, flexibility takes time and consistency. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Warm up properly and incorporate these stretches into your routine for happy, flexible hands. Typing Terminator exercises for office warriors. Let's face it, many of us spend hours glued to our computers typing away. While technology is amazing, it can take a toll on our hands. These exercises are designed to combat the dreaded tech hand and keep your fingers nimble. First, wrist rests. Invest in a good ergonomic wrist rest for your keyboard and mouse. This simple addition can make a world of difference by reducing strain on your wrists and forearms. Next, the claw stretches. Extend your arm forward, palm facing you. Curl your fingertips down towards your palm, forming a claw shape. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times on each hand. And don't forget, regular breaks. This one's crucial. Set reminders to take short breaks throughout the day. During these breaks, stand up, stretch your hands and wrists, and give your fingers a break from the keyboard. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to tech-related hand pain. By incorporating these exercises and tips into your workday, you can keep your hands healthy and pain-free. Handy helpers, tools for enhanced results. Want to take your hand exercises to the next level? Incorporating a few simple tools can add variety, challenge, and even more benefits to your routine. Resistance bands. These versatile bands are fantastic for building finger and hand strength. Loop a band around your fingers and try extending them against the resistance. Hand grippers. Available in various strengths, hand grippers provide a targeted workout for your grip. Squeeze and release for a challenging workout that strengthens your forearms and wrists as well. Therapy putty. This moldable putty is perfect for strengthening and improving dexterity. Squeeze, pinch, and stretch the putty for a fun and effective workout. Remember, using the right tools can enhance your results and keep your workouts engaging. Experiment with different options and find what works best for you. Listen to your body. Avoiding hand exercise mistakes. While hand exercises offer numerous benefits, it's important to approach them with caution, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Overdoing it. Just like any workout, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Pain is your body's way of saying slow down. Ignoring pain. Speaking of pain, never ignore it. If you experience any sharp or persistent pain during or after exercises, stop immediately and consult a medical professional. Neglecting proper form. Using proper form is crucial for preventing injuries. Pay attention to the instructions and ensure you're performing the exercises correctly. Remember, listening to your body is paramount. Progress gradually, prioritize proper form, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if needed. Consistency is key, creating a winning hand exercise routine. The secret to success with hand exercises, just like any fitness routine, is consistency. Incorporate these exercises into your daily life, and you'll reap the rewards of strong, flexible, and healthy hands. Make it a habit. Set aside a specific time each day for your hand exercises. Whether it's during your morning coffee or while watching TV, consistency is key. Start small. Don't feel overwhelmed. Begin with a few exercises and gradually add more as you get stronger and more comfortable. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your hands feel. If you're feeling sore, take a break or reduce the intensity. Remember, even a few minutes of daily hand exercises can make a significant difference. Make it a habit, and your hands will thank you for years to come. Flex your power. Embrace a life of strong, healthy hands. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our hand strengthening journey. By now, you're equipped with a toolbox of exercises and knowledge to unlock your hands' full potential. Remember, strong, flexible hands are crucial for everyday activities, injury prevention, and overall well-being. From simple finger stretches to challenging grip exercises, there's something for everyone. Choose the exercises that resonate with you and your fitness level. Remember those key takeaways. Warm up properly, prioritize proper form, and listen to your body. Consistency is key. Make hand exercises a non-negotiable part of your routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they make. Embrace a life of strong, healthy hands and enjoy the countless benefits they bring.